Welcome to UniFi 6. In this video, we will compare the 4 UniFi 6 models of our ceiling mount form factor: the U6 Lite, Long Range, Professional, and Enterprise. The UniFi 6 Lite is a great, cost-effective way to add high-speed Wi-Fi to your home network. Ultra-compact form factor, powered by standard PoE, and capable of 1.5 gigabits per second over-the-air speeds. For wider coverage in less dense deployments, the UniFi 6 Long Range is powered by PoE Plus and features 4-stream Wi-Fi 6, capable of 2.7 gigabits per second over-the-air speeds, and longer link distances thanks to its innovative antenna design. The UniFi 6 Professional is designed for higher client density. Powered by PoE Plus, it delivers 4-stream Wi-Fi 6, capable of reaching 5.3 gigabits per second over-the-air speeds. For the most demanding deployments, the UniFi 6 Enterprise is our highest performing AP, designed to take advantage of Wi-Fi 6E speeds. With an additional dedicated 6 GHz radio, it can achieve over 10 gigabits per second combined over-the-air throughput rates. The PoE Plus LAN port has also been upgraded to 2.5 gigabit Ethernet and is optimally paired with our high-capacity 2.5 gigabit Ethernet enterprise PoE switches. In addition to ceiling-mounted, UniFi 6 will also be available in versatile indoor-outdoor form factors. The U6 Mesh is the best for flexible deployments, indoors or out. The U6 In-Wall transforms an Ethernet wall outlet into a 4-port gigabit switch with a PoE port that can power your UniFi device, best suited for hotel and hospitality deployments. And the U6 Extender is a plug-and-play mesh AP, perfect for anywhere PoE may be difficult to access. All U6 APs support Bluetooth Low Energy for plug-and-play connectivity with UniFi IoT devices, including sensors and door locks. With the UniFi Network app, U6 APs are automatically detected and quickly added to your deployment. Plan out and visualize the perfect UniFi 6 deployment with UniFi Design Center. And with the Signal Mapper feature for Wi-Fi Man, you can quickly create a signal map of your entire space, making it easier than ever to spot Wi-Fi dead zones. No matter the location or environment, U6 access points offer a fully scalable and customizable solution for your deployment. UniFi, simplifying IT.